Did you know nearly 70% of people would fail a basic financial literacy test? That's like 7 out of 10 people making money decisions with less skill than a squirrel prepping for winter. And honestly, that squirrel's probably got a better plan. You're here because you're tired of being stuck, and you want real financial freedom. But let's be clear, financial freedom isn't a gift. It's a mountain you climb, and you need the right skills to get there. In this video, I'll break down 5 essential skills you need to stop living paycheck to paycheck and start building real wealth. So buckle up, class is in session, and your money's on the line. Let's talk about the herd of elephants trampling your bank account: debt, investment confusion, and the dreaded budget. Debt is like an uninvited house guest who eats your food and charges you interest for the privilege. Student loans, credit cards, every swipe is another nail in your financial coffin. People treat credit cards like free money, but it's just a loan shark in disguise. You're paying 20% interest on a pizza you ate 6 months ago. That's not just bad math, it's financial lunacy. Why does this happen? Because most people pay more attention to brunch plans than their financial future. Impulse spending and the "I deserve it" mentality are a one-way ticket to the poorhouse. Then there's investment ignorance. Many think investing is for the rich or is just gambling. So they keep their money in a savings account earning next to nothing, while inflation eats it alive. Doing nothing is often the biggest mistake, like standing still at the starting line of a race. And let's not forget the granddaddy of self-sabotage: no budget. For many, budget is a scarier word than root canal. But without a budget, you're flying blind in a financial hurricane. That daily $7 latte, forgotten subscriptions, impulse buys, they add up to a mountain of "where did my money go?" It's not a mystery, it's just poor planning. People work hard, earn decent money, but have nothing to show for it. Like filling a bucket with holes. The truth? These challenges, debt, investment illiteracy, budget aversion, aren't insurmountable. They're just obstacles, and you can overcome them with the right knowledge and strategy. But first, you have to admit they exist. Your financial life is a business, and you're the CEO. Right now, for many, it's a circus with no ringmaster. But it doesn't have to be. The first step is admitting you have a problem. So take a hard look at your finances. Are these challenges your reality? If so, don't despair. Recognize them, understand them, and get ready to dismantle them, one skill at a time. I'm not just here to point out problems. I'm here to give you solutions. But you have to be willing to listen, and more importantly, to act. This is your wake-up call. Stop blaming the bucket, patch the holes. Your financial monster's reign ends today. Let's get to work. No more excuses. Let's talk about the skill everyone avoids: budgeting. It sounds boring, but it's your financial GPS. Without it, you're lost. People will research ketchup brands for hours, but won't spend 30 minutes a month on their finances. Overspending is an art form for some. Daily $8 coffees, impulse buys, and then wondering where the money went. Imagine your income is a pie. Without a budget, everyone grabs a slice and you're left with crumbs. A budget is you deciding who gets what slice before the pie's gone. Budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about having more fun, guilt-free, because you planned for it. Emotional spending, "I deserve it," is a budget buster. A budget helps you separate needs from wants. Every successful business runs on a budget. Why not you? A budget gives you clarity. You see where the leaks are and can fix them. Redirect that money to things that matter. Paying off debt, building an emergency fund, investing. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook. The tool doesn't matter. Commitment does. Be honest about your spending. Make changes. Stick with it. Stop making excuses. Embrace budgeting as your first step to financial control. It's not torture. It's your ticket to wealth. Master this, and you're already ahead of the pack. Take control, tell your money where to go, and stop wondering where it went. Budgeting is your foundation. Start now and watch your financial life transform. Don't let your money vanish into overpriced lattes. Build your financial fortress one budget at a time. Remember, you're the boss of your money. Make every dollar count. Budgeting is freedom, not restriction. Take the wheel. Your future self will thank you. Let's move on. Let's talk about investing, a word that excites some and terrifies others. For many, investing seems like gambling or a scam. But real investing isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. If someone promises guaranteed high returns with no risk, run the other way. True investing is making your money work for you, not the other way around. Inflation is the enemy. Your money loses value every day it sits idle. Investing is your weapon against inflation and your path to real wealth. Yes, there's risk. But the risk of not investing is a guaranteed loss. The key is to invest intelligently, diversify, know your risk tolerance, and harness compound interest. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard, just understand the basics. Focus on proven, long-term strategies, index funds, ETFs, solid companies. Ignore the hype and fads. Real wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. Education is your shield. Learn what you're investing in and why. Read, listen to reputable podcasts, consult a fee-only advisor if needed. Start small if you have to. Just start. The earlier you begin, the more powerful compounding becomes. Don't wait for the perfect time. The perfect time was yesterday. The next best is today. Stop treating your money like it's fragile. Put it to work. Investing isn't just for the rich. It's how people get rich. Don't be a chipmunk. Be a financial eagle. Soar above inflation and build your future. Investing is a fundamental skill for financial freedom. Don't let fear hold you back. Take action, even if it's small. Your future wealth depends on it. Make your money work as hard as you do. Start investing now. Build wealth, not just savings. The journey starts today. No more hiding. Let's keep going. Now, let's tackle financial literacy, understanding the language of money. If you don't speak it, you'll get fleeced. Financial jargon can be intimidating, but the basics aren't rocket science. Not knowing them can cost you. Bad loans, poor investments, and predatory products. Imagine a doctor who doesn't know anatomy. That's how most people handle their finances. We're taught the Pythagorean theorem, but not compound interest. Financial literacy is your armor in the battle for your money. It protects you from scams, helps you spot opportunities, and empowers smart decisions. Without it, you're navigating a minefield blindfolded. Misunderstandings lead to fear, inaction, or disastrous choices. Understanding interest rates, inflation, risk, assets versus liabilities, these are real-world essentials. Knowing how credit scores work can save you thousands. You don't need an MBA, just start with the basics. Read articles, watch reputable videos, pick up a good book. Learn what a balance sheet and income statement are. Financial literacy gives you confidence. You'll ask smart questions, spot red flags, and protect your money. It helps you see through marketing fluff and make decisions based on value, not hype. Commit to improving your financial IQ. It's like learning a new language or skill. The payoff is huge. Invest in yourself. The dividends last a lifetime. Stop being a financial baboon. Become a financial sage. The choice is yours. Take the first step today. Knowledge is power. Don't let confusion cost you. Master the basics, and you'll master your money. Let's move to the final skill. Let's talk about negotiation, a skill that can put more money in your pocket. Most people avoid it thinking it's confrontational or scary. But being a financial doormat is costing you a fortune. Negotiation isn't about being aggressive, it's about finding a win-win. If you don't ask, you don't get. Almost everything is negotiable: salary, car price, bills, even bank fees. Imagine buying a couch. Most just pay the sticker price. The negotiator asks, "What's the best you can do?" The worst they can say is no. But if they say yes, you save big. People clip coupons to save 50 cents, but won't negotiate a $50 monthly bill. That's $600 a year. Real money. To negotiate well, do your homework. Know the market, your leverage, and your alternatives. If you're negotiating salary, research what others make. If you're buying a car, know the invoice price. Knowledge is power at the bargaining table. Don't fear silence after you make an offer. Let them respond. The best negotiations leave both sides happy. Be assertive, not aggressive. Confident, not arrogant. Practice makes perfect. Start small, ask for a discount, waive a fee, negotiate with your kids. Each win builds your confidence for bigger negotiations. Opportunities to negotiate are everywhere. Stop being passive, become an active agent in your financial life. Question prices, challenge assumptions, ask for better terms. Every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Negotiation is a money-making, money-saving superpower. Use it. Don't leave money on the table. Make negotiation a habit. Your wallet will thank you. Take control of your deals. Let's wrap this up. There you have it. 5 critical skills for financial freedom: tackling challenges, budgeting, investing, financial literacy, and negotiation. These are practical tools, not just concepts. Without them, you're stuck. With them, you're in control. Nobody taught you this, but that excuse ends today. You have the blueprint. What will you do with it? Your financial transformation starts with your next decision. Choose wisely. Your future self is counting on you. Which skill will you master first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this valuable, hit subscribe and check out my budgeting masterclass next. Don't be a stranger to your own success.